KAMSIN80 Series Pneumatic Upholstery Stapler 8016K 21-gauge farm-wear stapler. More durable and sturdy materials. More detailed and thoughtful design. Easy to operate. Your reassuring choice of tools. 21-gauge 18 series staples. Spring magazine strip designed for easy opening and loading. Insert the 80 series staple with the opening facing up. Connect the air compressor. Smooth and effortless to operate. KAMSIN8016K has wide application in woodworking, leather attaching, picture frame making, or wires or rope fixing. KAMSIN, make your job easier.